Welcome to Landria, Onkka on YouTube, here to help you break through those fears and live an awesome life. Today we're going to talk about abundance. How do you manifest abundance in your life? I'm going to give you something very simple that is effective, that is scientific, and also spiritually based, because the two are one and the same. Although science seems to think that they have the answers and they keep finding out that they just really don't know all that much, but we're getting closer and closer to recognizing that anything is possible and that everything is connected and everything is one. And that's going to be the foundation of today's conversation, because I'm going to talk to you about how anyone can become abundant in their life. Abundance is not given to someone because they're a good person. Doing good things is not why somebody is abundant. All right? Now, hear me out on this, because you might go, no, that's not true. But I'll explain this. Abundance is not given to those who give. All right? Although that can happen, but I'm going to explain why it also cannot happen. In a lot of cases, doesn't happen, because I know there's some of you out there who are good people that give a lot, and they are not abundant, and they're asking me, why not? All right? Because we're associating giving and being good with being rewarded. When we wrap our heads around how the universe works, it doesn't judge. That is a judgmental kind of separation kind of thinking. In other words, you're believing that if you're a good person that gives, that there's an outside source that decides if you should receive certain gifts or rewards or abundance. That is not what's going on. You are actually the energy that is creating everything. You are actually the focus that manifests. So there we go. Let's talk about focus. Your focus creates. This is why people who are not so nice can become abundant. They're focusing on that. All right, so here, the space that we want to go into is a positive one. We want abundance on a positive level, right? So if we give and we focus on giving, that doesn't mean that we will necessarily be abundant. Because your thoughts and beliefs behind everything you do is what's controlling what does or does not come to you. So you can be a giving person but not feel that you deserve it yourself. Now, I always say you're receiving at every moment what you're giving. What does giving mean? You could be giving to the planet and others and be Mother Teresa, right? But if you are not giving the universe the directives that you are a deserving person and would like to receive certain things, then it is absolutely acting upon your directives. Giving is what you're putting out there, your intentions, your thoughts. There are people that don't do very nice things, but the directives that they're giving the universe are positive ones. And if they're not doing nice things, the results of that abundance will most likely be very negative, right? It's going to come from a negative place, and the circumstances around all of that could be extremely negative. Here's the critical key to abundance. First of all, giving in a positive way, a compassion, love, putting others first, putting the collective consciousness first. That's how we go to a higher frequency. Do it from your heart. Always put the others first. That's the higher frequency. And the second thing that must be done in order to receive abundance is to know that you already have it. So when people are giving and they're good people, most of the time they believe that they don't have themselves. Even though they're good, wonderful people, and they're saying, okay, well, I'm going to give and I'm going to do all these things. And yes, that is part of the equation. But if your directives are, well, I'm broke, or it's pious, or it's good to be broke, or it's money's evil. They're still directing all that. They're saying, I don't have, and having is bad. When you have abundance, I am abundant. Thank you. And then you're thankful for it. You have now placed your order within the universe, of which you are. It's not reacting and thinking and going, oh, now we'll give it to her. It's saying, yes, I am. Boom, stuff shows up. Yes, I am abundant. And yes, I'm grateful. All positive, positive, positive. Verification that you are abundant. So all the giving that you do is even expanding you further out in conjunction with the fact that you already have. Does this make sense? So you already have abundance. That is a fact. It is a reality in the cosmos, because there are endless probabilities. When you focus on that reality, quantum physics here, this is science, it becomes real. If there are any thoughts behind it that you shouldn't have these things, you can give and be compassionate and wonderful all day long, but if you're over here believing that you personally don't have, that you lack, that you're broke, that it's not good to have money, or that it's not really going to happen for you, then it's in conflict with receiving abundance. So you're a giving, loving, wonderful, broke person, and that's what you placed your order for to the universe. Hi, I give and I love and I'm wonderful and everybody's happy, and oh, they have abundance and I don't. And I won't. And I can't. I am, right? That's what you're stating to the universe. Whatever abundance that you would love to receive, and you don't have to be specific. I am not specific because I allow the universe to bring what is best and highest for me. And it brings stuff that I didn't even imagine. Thank you for the abundance. Thank you for the acceleration of my success, my financial flourishing, and all of the wonderful things that are coming to me, my ability to make a big impact on this planet, to help other people. Thank you for that. Thank you for that opportunity. Thank you for allowing me to expand on that. Thank you. I receive it. There you go. And then you spend your whole day giving what you know you already have and that you're thankful for. And you're thankful that you can give to others. And you're on that level now of giving, being in a high frequency, and now knowing that it's all flowing to you. You already have it. Thank you. Get busy. You're whole, perfect, strong, powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. Blessings to you, my friend. Namaste.